There is nothing quite like bringing a new baby into the home. The new baby smell, the gurgling, and of course the smiles that come in the first few months. There is also nothing like decorating a nursery for a new addition to the family, whether it's painting the room or assembling the cot with all the bedding. And it's often the case that flooring is also part of this nesting phase. Carpet is by all means the most luxurious and comfortable choice for flooring. Not only does it provide softness so needed in those early morning hours of the first few months, but it also acts as a perfect ground for your little one to practice crawling and walking as the months go by. A choice from the Breeze carpet range not only provides peace of mind when it comes to any changing table mishaps due to its excellent stain resistance, but it's also one of the healthiest carpets for the home, as it's treated to withstand many allergy and asthma triggers. If it's hard flooring you'd prefer for the nursery, it's easy to maintain, and just by adding a rug you can add some extra texture and comfort to the room. If it's a timber replica look you'd like to achieve, a luxury vinyl from the Abode Classic Collection will make for a great nursery floor. It's quieter and warmer underfoot, 100% recyclable, waterproof, and can be installed on virtually any surface with minimum floor preparation, so it's a perfect choice for your nursery decorating. For more information on the huge range of carpet and luxury vinyl flooring suitable for your nursery, visit your local Choices Flooring store or go to choicesflooring.com.au.